One pair, oh goodness, okay. White is kind of a difficult color to travel with, and as I say this, look at what's coming next. White tee. Oh, it's Apollo's lunch. I'm going to Toronto next week, so I thought I would take you with me as I build my travel capsule, show you some looks that I've put together from it. I think working with a travel capsule is one of the best ways to get your creativity going in terms of mixing and matching a small number of pieces in your closet. And especially I like doing this before I travel, because then you can kind of go into your travel destination with confidence, knowing that everything works together, that you've already got some solid outfit combinations that you came up with that you'll feel good in for all the different occasions that you need. Ultimately, I think working with travel capsules is like the best exercise to realize that you don't need so many options all the time, and that you can really get creative with what you've already got. I've got 10 pieces. I'm gonna be gone for 8 days. The weather is gonna be like anywhere between 20 to 25 degrees Celsius during the day. I'm gonna walk you through all of it, and then I'm gonna show you some looks that I've put together and see where we're at. Let's jump in. What I've got so far: 2 bottoms, a pair of like a light wash straight leg denim. These are secondhand, and these shorts from Cézanne. I've got a couple of meetings I've got to go to, but nothing too formal or like crazy. I'm gonna bring this striped top. It's a great layering piece because it fits tight to the body. It's cute. It's got a good neckline. This flowy blouse in case I want to go out for dinner with friends. You're not gonna be surprised. A button up. Normally I bring my white one with me when I travel, but the reason why I chose the black today was because I love the contrast between the dark and the light denim. And also, I don't know, maybe I'm just becoming more practical as I age. White is kind of a difficult color to travel with, and as I say this, look at what's coming next. White tee. This t-shirt is probably the best mix between looking chic and a little bit elevated, but being so easy. So it works for every occasion. My linen cotton blend tee from Cézanne. This is a little bit like this shirt in the sense that it's got a little bit of detail, like some cute buttons down the front. Then I've got 2 knits. My incredible cotton waffle Isto sweater from Portugal, and this little pinch of color, my mint green cardigan from Cézanne. Both really good for layering, but also good on their own. These are the 2 jackets that I'm contemplating, my oversized vintage jacket or the suede moto. The purse situation is gonna be similar. I'm debating between this bag here, which feels nice and light and summery, and my Loewe puzzle. Shoes, the Manolo slingbacks, 1 pair of sneakers, and baby blue flats. Running gear, 1 sports bra, 1 pair of leggings, 1 long sleeve merino because I run in the morning and it's usually cold, 1 t-shirt, 1 pair of little booty shorts, and then pajamas. And then of course I've got my regular toiletries and things like that, which I don't carry a lot of makeup with me normally, so that's usually pretty minimal as well. Train outfit. I'm leaving midday, so it won't be very cold. I think I might bring this hat, and I'm gonna bring 1 pair of sunnies. Here's the question, do we do? Let's see, I think this would be fine. Denim on denim, maybe? No, I don't think so. Never mind. Okay, so we're gonna do the suede moto. I'm also gonna bring my convertible backpack. So I usually put all of my tech in here, and away we go. Absolutely not groundbreaking. All I did was swap out the shoes. I'd probably wear this at night, or maybe if I had like a fancy important lunch meeting to go to. So I could do this for day or for night. The beauty of the puzzle is that I could take this strap off and just carry it by the handle, which is kind of cute at night. Does make the whole look feel a little bit heavier though, and we've got some nice sunny optimistic weather. So jury's still out on the bag. Right, the other thing I can do, I pulled a fast one on you, and I've swapped out the black linen and cotton tee for this cashmere tee. If it's cold, this is what I'll do. So for daytime, yeah, and you know what? These colors, like they're not exactly the same, but we've still got like a pretty solid tonal look happening here. Day, this is what I would do. Okay. If it's chilly and I need another layer, I'll do this. Let's have a look at this. No. I feel like the puzzle works better here, just balances out the weight of the sweater, but this is another look that I would do for day. Okay, this is probably not like a first choice. This is a really good option if it's a bit chilly and I want some more layers. I forgot, I'm gonna bring a belt. I'm gonna bring this brown belt and add a nice little bit of like contrast or harmony depending on my mood. This is a good day combo. Easily could work with a sneaker. Bag the bag. I think I would do this one. This one's the winner for this one, for me. Little Francais inspiration. If it's cold, I could do this. Could also do one of these again. If we do this, we would need a heftier shoe here. So I think something else that's really important when you are thinking of traveling or when you're putting together sort of any capsule, because it's for a finite amount of time, you can kind of dictate the mood or like the variant to your 3 words within that capsule. And you can kind of put your own little spin on it. So for example, my 3 words are classic, minimal, and undone. But for some reason, as I'm packing for this trip, I'm really feeling like I want to err on the more casual and easy side of things. I don't want to feel fussy. I really want to be very laid back. You see now how the weight of the sweater and the jacket feels a little bit more balanced with the sneaker. There's a bit of heft on the bottom and the top, so it kind of works. I would go with the puzzle on this one just because I think, again, like we want something a bit weighty. And because we've got the black incorporated, this is actually a really good look if I'm doing like a working from a cafe kind of situation and I need to carry all my stuff in here. Okay, here's another option. Kind of interesting, kind of cute, little sporty. I would wear this. I would have to be in a very specific mood. All of this is very tailored. There isn't really an undone element to this outfit. So to add that, I would probably add the sweater maybe, give it a little bit of like softness. Wow, this feels very preppy. But it's cute. I think it's still a good option. If it's night and it's warm enough to go out, this is definitely how I would wear the shorts. I'm gonna try and only bring 1 belt, but I might bring 2. I just wanna see how this one looks with this. I think there might be too much texture. You see here with the croc print and then the waffle of the sweater, I think they might be competing a little bit. You know what? This isn't so bad. I would do this. I think the squareness of the buckle is pretty cool. And purse. Oh, they're both good, but I feel like I would still do the puzzle. Here's another one. I think I must have shown this combination in a different video. Another one though for evening and only if it's quite warm out. If it's too cool for the shorts, this is how I would do this look for night. Not adding a belt because there's already a lot going on with the blouse. Not groundbreaking, I know, but here's another solid evening out look. I think the slingback makes it look perfect for evening or for something more elevated, combination with the structure. And then if I wanted to switch this out for day, both a sneaker and a little flat would work. For day, I would add a belt. If it's chilly, I'll do this. This is an okay look. I love wearing a cardigan as a sweater. To shake things up a bit, especially because I have this cute little V-neck, but I think what I would do here is just do this backwards, just to make this feel a little bit different. Just turning this into like a little boat neck or a little crew neck, it feels like so much more easy with the sneakers. The crew makes it feel a little bit more sporty, so it's like a total sport look. Here is where I would do the cardigan in the front with the sneaker. It would be because I've got this extra little tee underneath. And I feel like this is a much better marriage between like the sneaker and the sexiness of the cardigan. We kind of bring the delicateness of the cardigan down a notch with the casual material of the tee and incorporating the white from the tee in with the sneakers. I just wanted to point out like these teeny tiny details that can go overlooked because we don't have time, because we're rushing. So I really think taking the time to do these little tests and tweaks and not underestimate the power of like a simple white tee and layering it under something and trying different shoes. These little styling tweaks can be so overlooked and they don't have to be. Here's another pretty solid one. I don't mind this. The fact that there's like two sort of knots happening here, but I think the ballet flat adds a little polish. But let's see what swapping out the belt does. There. Yeah, I prefer the belt with the sling back actually. So there, this is like, it feels almost like a whole new outfit. Here's something else I would do with the little sneaker. Probably have the puzzle. I think the black would be maybe a bit too dark. If you love color, you could totally do a little color blocking with the baby blue flat. Like it's a little bit of a subtle color blocking effect and I actually really like it. That is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if you found it helpful for putting together a travel capsule or if you're traveling anywhere soon. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you learned something new, hit subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night, rest of your day, wherever you're at. Thanks for being here, and I will be back with another slow fashion video. Ciao!